That looks dangerous.
Not to worry though, it's just my new GoPro HERO7 Black. I kept seeing, hearing, and reading what a great camera this was, so I thought I'd try one out for Jedi TV. Included in the package when I bought this camera was one battery, one mount, two adhesive mount plates, one cable for charging and transferring data, and, of course, operating instructions. Now, just like we did with our review of the Dji Osmo Pocket, from here on out, all audio and video will be captured using the GoPro HERO7 Black. So let's take our new GoPro down to Yreka, California, and to the home of the Hawkinsville claim jumpers, where we can film some cowboy action shooting. One of the first things I was eager to try out was this new time warp feature on the HERO7 Black. So I mounted the GoPro on the Jedi van windshield and captured this footage. As you can see, this footage came out extremely smooth and clear. I'm really impressed with this feature, and it is definitely one that I can see using again. Now, one of the big selling points of the GoPro HERO7 Black is that it offers stabilization without the use of a gimbal. That is to say that through the magic of technology, the image is digitally stabilized. So I handed this GoPro to my Deacon Doug, and without further instruction to him, I just asked him to keep the GoPro pointed at me.
Now, can you do that and then safely guide me through the stage still?
Well, we'll see. Okay, spotters.
All right, I'm ready, Doug.
Stand by.
I would have preferred that this footage was shot from the other side, but I wasn't clear on my instructions to Doug, and he's also operating the timer while filming this stage.
2118
Clean.
and clean.
As best as we could see through the smoke.
Thank you, sir.
And even though Doug is multitasking, you can see that the footage is smooth and the image is clear.
2118 and clean. I can live with that. Hope it looked good on the new GoPro.
On the next stage, I made my instructions a little bit more clear to Doug, and I asked him to film from the other side,
Where do you want me to stand?
Right here.
Okay.
as I think this captures the action better. But he misunderstood me and again moves to the left. But the footage is what we're here to review today, and as you can see, it's still very smooth, clear, and sounds great.
Two, 164. And no misses.
Thank you, sir. Another 21, but with only 2 shotgun, Should have been under 20.
This is my first attempt to hat mount the new GoPro HERO7 Black. And it didn't work out too well because, as you can see, I had the camera pointed down too low.
Up, right.
I could have prevented this by wirelessly connecting my phone to view the angle of the camera, but I was trying to preserve the life of the single battery shipped with the GoPro, so I had shut that feature off.
Clear.
You just laid them out there pretty.
Next shooter.
Everybody's did that.
What's that?
Well, that 66 lays them right on the table
Oh, nice.
for the most part.
I did review the footage after this stage, and after discovering the angle was off, I corrected it with the help of my pard, Vaquero Lobo. And this is the corrected image, and it offers a view that I'm particularly impressed with. Admittedly, I prefer capturing the first-person perspective with video glasses, and you can see a lot of that footage on my Instagram account, @JediGunfighter. But it's nice to have options for capturing this type of view.
Why? All right. 1995 and no misses.
And I'll say this, the GoPro footage does not disappoint. Capturing first-person action is one of the main uses for an action camera like this GoPro. I purchased this HERO7 Black directly from the GoPro website for $299. Currently, the regular price is $399. At the time I purchased mine, there was an offer for $100 off if you sent in an old camera. And I had an ancient Sony CyberShot camera laying around, so I sent that in to get the discount. Now, while we're on the subject of money, and before I close out this video, I want to thank these fine folks whose names appear on screen for supporting Jedi TV through the Buy Me a Coffee program.
I hope you all enjoyed this brief look at our new GoPro HERO7 Black. If you did, then you know the drill. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my time traveling adventures. I'm Jedi Knight, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time. I can't teleport out because I'm driving. So you're just gonna have to go, yeah, some other place, some other time.
For more information on the Buy Me a Coffee program or any of our social media links, please see the description box of this video.